Dear God, thank you for the forgiveness you so graciously extend to me. Even when I fall short, your mercy is endless, and I am deeply grateful for the freedom it brings. Help me to extend that same forgiveness to others, even when it's difficult, just as your word in Matthew 18 verse 22 reminds us, forgiveness repeatedly. Teach me to release bitterness and show grace, reflecting the love you have shown me. When fear and anxiety overwhelm me, remind me that you are the one who provides for every need. You are the one who stills my heart with your peace and calms the storms within me. Thank you for being the one who stores my soul and renews my strength. Help me to trust in your care, resting in the assurance that you are always with me, guiding me through every challenge. Dear God, thank you for another day of life, for the breath in my lungs, and for a body that works. Even the ability to work and accomplish tasks comes from you. Every good thing I have and every dream I hold is a gift from your hand. Help me to walk in gratitude today. Recognize your provision and grace in all areas of my life. May my heart be filled with thankfulness, and may my actions reflect my appreciation for all you have done for me. Help me to do my part, knowing you are always faithful to do yours. Thank you for working behind the scenes in ways I cannot see, turning even my mistakes and challenges into opportunities for good. Guide me to follow your will, use wisdom in my choices, and obey your word in all I do. Teach me to trust in your plans while staying committed to actions you called me to take. May my life reflect my faith in you and my desire to honor you. Help me to look to you today in all that I do. Teach me to honor Jesus as my Lord, fully submitting to His guidance and will. If He says go, I'll go. If He says stay, I'll stay. Help me to see Him as my master and follow His example with a willing and obedient heart. May my thoughts, words, and actions reflect my devotion to Him. And may I glorify you in every step I take today. Help me to surrender every area of my life to you, holding nothing back. Teach me to trust you fully with my plans, my fears, and my desires, knowing that your ways are higher and better. Guide me to follow you wholeheartedly with unwavering faith and commitment. Transform my heart and mind so that my thoughts, actions, and decisions align with your will. May my life be a reflection of your love and grace as I walk in obedience to you. Help me to bask in your goodness today, remembering how truly kind and loving you are. You have been better to me than I deserve, and your grace is incredible, a gift I could never earn but am so deeply thankful for. Let my heart be filled with gratitude as I reflect on your mercy and love. May I carry the awareness of your goodness through my day, allowing it to shape my actions, my thoughts, and my attitude toward others. I praise you for the wondrous works of your hands. The beauty of creation declares your glory, from the stars in the sky to the mountains and seas. Every detail reflects your power, creativity, and majesty. Thank you for the marvels you have made, both seen and unseen. Your works in my life are no less miracles, and I stand in awe of your goodness and faithfulness. May my heart always be filled with gratitude and wonders for the amazing things you have done. Thank you for making me an overcomer through Jesus Christ. Because of your strength and love, I can face every challenge with confidence, hope, and assurance that you are always with me. With you by my side, there is nothing I can achieve according to your will and purpose for my life. Help me to walk boldly in this truth today, trusting fully in your power and learning on your guidance in all I do. Strengthen me to overcome obstacles and glorify you in every step I take. Thank you for seeing me and knowing everything I am dealing with. Your care and attention bring me comfort, and I trust that you are actively working in ways I cannot see. You are good, and I am so thankful that I can lay my burdens down at your feet. Help me to rest in your love and trust in your perfect timing, knowing that you are always for me and will carry me through. Dear God, we pray for those feeling deep sadness today. Lift them up and surround them with your comforting presence. Restore their hearts with hope and gladness and remind them that you are near in their sorrow. Word gratitude for the blessings you have placed in their lives. Help them to see glimpses of your goodness even in difficult moments and fill their hearts with peace and joy that only you can provide.